another video. You're watching Phones on Touch here with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about HTC's one model which is UI. जी हाँ, हम HTC की UI के बारे में आज यहाँ बात करने वाले हैं. Let us know about this variant, about this gadget out here, which was 2017 launch. जी हाँ, 2017 का भले ही launch रहा हो, but it has a different kind of a systematic way, or we can say a different kind of thing in it, which has made it into the list out today. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant, which is HTC U11 out there, it is available in different variants out here, in different variations, in different parts of the globe. Along with various differences can be seen in the model. It can be either single SIM, dual SIM, or you can have a UAS version out here, or you can have your different slotation for the northeastern parts of the globe, or the Asian parts out there. If you talk about these kind of phones out here, then it has got a n number of differences, n number of modification in it, but not in the operating system or that, but the structurality we can say. मतलब structure थोड़ा सा अलग होगा, SIM slotation थोड़ा अलग होगा, networking थोड़ी सी अलग होगी, and साथ साथ कैमरा क्वालिटी भी थोड़ा बहुत डिफर हो सकता है. So there are various types of HTC U11 out there in the market. So we are going to talk about all these in combined variation. Combined variation से मेरा मतलब सिर्फ ये है कि we will be talking about the common specifications and what are the major differences in all these variants out there across the globe. We are also going to know that. Talking about this kind of a variant, which is HTC U11 out here, we can say it has got amazing SIM slotation first. मतलब SIM slotation काफी अच्छी है for all the variants, because if you use any SIM slotation out there which is particularly designed for a suppose Hong Kong version or a Singapore version, Indian version out there, then you cannot use those kind of phones out in the other variants. मतलब आप उस version को कहीं और use नहीं कर सकते. So that is the amazing feature out here. Whereas some phones are usually designed for the global use. Yes, we can say for the global use they are designed, and we have seen in the HTC models itself. Now moving on, let us design and talk about the design and everything about this phone. Talking about this, it has got a protection of glass 5. Yes, you heard it right. Gorilla Glass 5 की protection इसे मिली हुई है. You will get to see Gorilla Glass 5 is protecting it from the phone side. As well as you will see that the glass back is seen at the back side too, and it has got aluminium framework. Yes, it has got aluminium framework, which is really amazing variant out here. Talking about this HTC Desires series or HTC One series and comparing the HTC U11 series with them, we can say it is one of the nice variant which has come out by HTC entire series. When you talk about the dual SIM technology, when we talk about this variant across the globe, some parts might not have the dual SIM technology. मतलब कुछ parts में dual SIM नहीं देखने को मिलेगा, but you will get to see the hybrid dual technology if you have a dual SIM phone. Yes, अगर आपके पास dual SIM phone है तो hybrid dual SIM technology देखने को मिलती है. As well as you get to see the water resistance capacity is quite nice, which is from 1 minute to 30 minutes out there. मतलब 1 minute से 30 minutes तक की water resistance capacity इसमें है. You get to see the Super LCD 5 capital touch screening along with 5.5 inch screen. मतलब अच्छी screening है, size भी अच्छा है, as well as touch screen जो use की जा रही है वो भी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी है. We already know that in 2016 till 2016, HTC has already used the Android versions of 6 and 5, 6, 5, 6, 5. But this is something amazing that by 2017 they got to use Android 7. मतलब अब Android 7 यूज करने लगे हैं. So that's wonderful thing out है कि 2017 में जहां हम ज्यादातर मॉडल्स में Android 8 देख रहे थे, they are using Android 7. But the best part out here can be said कि they are using it in upgradable variant. Yes, you will get to see an upgradable variant out here, which is Android 9 out there. So that's a wonderful thing out there. This is really amazing. Whereas you also get to see that it is running with Snapdragon 835 processing system. मतलब Snapdragon का processing system भले ही थोड़ा कम है, but अच्छा यूज कर रहा है. MediaTek से better Snapdragon processing system इनके साथ work कर रहा है. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got expandability too. but only for the variants we would say which have hybrid dual SIM, they have just a expandability or a shared slot, but a single SIM have a dedicated one, so it can be said that it's good one out here. But the worst part is that not all the variants of the single SIM slotation phone have a dedicated slot. Very rare models or very rare parts of the globe have that technology, or we can say that feature inbuilt. तो आपको सिर्फ डुअल सिम में ही एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी ओवरऑल देखने को मिलेगी. अगर डुअल सिम है तो एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी डेफिनेटली देखने को मिल रही है, बट सिंगल सिम है तो इन सम पार्ट्स वी कैन सी, नॉट ऑल द पार्ट्स. अब सिम एक्सपैंडेबल हो रहा है, मेमोरी एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी भी है. तो इंटरनल स्टोरेज की बात करें, वी कैन से दैट दिस हैज गॉट अ इंटरनल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ 64 GB and 128 GB. मतलब दो वेरिएंट्स है, 64 GB and 128 GB. You will find both the variants out there. As well as you get to see that it has got 4 GB RAM and 6 GB RAM as well. RAM भी अच्छी खासी इसमें देखने को मिल सकती है. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that this variant has got a nice camera out there. Yes, we can say, but we can see it as a disadvantage or a shocking fact. Anything we would like to say, we can say that because this is for the very first time we can say, or something amazing out there. कि HTC के सीरीज में पहली बार सेल्फी कैमरा जो है रेयर कैमरा से ज्यादा अच्छा है. लाइक सेल्फी कैमरा इज मच मोर हाई मेगापिक्सल देन द रेयर कैमरा. Yes, you heard it right. The selfie camera out here is 16 megapixel, whereas a rear camera or the main camera is just 12 megapixel. मतलब selfie camera काफी ज्यादा अच्छा कहा जा सकता है इसका. So it can be said that selfie camera is quite nice of this variant. One of the disadvantage we can say, and we can say the major disadvantage for this variant is that it did not go well with the people who love to have 3.5 mm jack, because this phone does not have 3.5 mm jack out there. Whereas you will also not get the radio then. And talking about this variant, we can say that this has got a okay battery life. मतलब ठीक ठाक battery life है, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं कहेंगे, because 3000 mAh battery running with Android 7 upgradable up to Android 9 can have a okay variant out है, ठीक variation दे सकता है. Whereas you will also get all the connectivities, all the sensitivities out there. You will not get the FM only, and recording is possible without mic. Whereas you get to see that loudspeakers are quite nice out here. You also get that sound cancellation process is also there. You get to see boom sound speakers, not the stereotype, boom sound speakers, which usually we have for the ones which we wouldn't want extra noise to be heard. But we have definitely few drawbacks to this variant. We definitely have a drawbacks. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers a major drawback to the battery first, because we cannot tell you exactly about the battery life. Yes, like how long it will sustain you or give you standby talk time, because 3000 mAh battery is for all the variants out there which are using either 4G, 3G, 2G, LTE, or even if we talk about the dual SIM, we cannot tell. In various parts, it depends upon how it is going to use. Since there is no ear pod out here, no 3.5 jack, so that's definitely difficult for the people out there. So major disadvantage to HTC U11 would be this, only these two major would be the disadvantage, because other things have definitely embraced itself, or we can say has improved in it. So definitely they are good. But talking about this good and bad variant, we can say a good variant is somewhat really nice, and very minor we can say disadvantage, or we can say थोड़ी सी मतलब ये बेसिक चीज होती है 3.5 जैक और बैटरी लाइफ की ड्यूरेबिलिटी पता होनी, तो वो चीजें इस फोन में नहीं पता चली, तो ये मेजर भी है और माइनर भी डिसएडवांटेज है, दोनों ही है. About this variant, we can say that this variant is available out in an amazing website out here, and the website name out there is, when you will go to the description box, you will get to see a link out there. You can click on the link and you will directly land up to this kind of a website. This website name is phoneZone.ae. Yes, website ka naam hai phoneZone.ae, and you'll get to have this kind of a website where you get to see a search icon. You get to see all mobile phones category, jahan pe aapko all mobile phones dekhne ko milte hain, with n number of brands out here, as well as you get to see that this website offers you not just one brand or one thing, but 6 months warranty for your mobile and 7 exchange policy too. Along with that, COD and free home delivery is also available out here. So you can definitely check out this website. The website name is phonezones.ae. This is the website name and you can definitely check this out. Till then, I'll take a leave. और अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो, you can let us know in the comment section. और वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो वो भी आप डाल सकते हैं, या फिर आपको अपनी किसी मॉडल के बारे में जानना है वो भी आप हमें बता सकते हैं. टिल देन टेक